Hello to all our English listeners, and welcome back to English with Erica, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Erica.
Hello, Erica. Hello, everyone. I'm Marco. How are you doing today, Erica?
I'm wonderful, thanks. I prepared a large breakfast this morning. Eggs, toast, and orange juice. I feel satisfied and cheerful. What about you, Marco?
I'm fine, but I have a question for you, Erica.
Sure, what's your question?
Someone told me that English has 12 verb tenses. 12. Is that accurate?
Well, yes, English does have 12 tenses.
12? That's a huge number. How can I possibly learn 12 tenses? I'll be studying for years.
Marco, I have good news for you.
Good news? Please tell me.
You don't need all 12 tenses. Not right now. Not for a long time. For daily conversation, chatting with friends, ordering meals, sharing stories, you only need 3.
3? Only 3 tenses?
Yes, 3 tenses will allow you to talk about anything. Your morning, your weekend, your plans for tomorrow. 3 tenses cover your entire life.
That sounds too good to be true.
It is true. And that's our topic today. We'll learn the 3 tenses you need to start speaking English confidently. I call them the present, the past, and the future. 3 tenses, 3 time zones. That's all you need.
3 time zones. I like that. Let's learn them.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button, subscribe to English with Erica, and share this episode with your friends and family. Thank you. It helps us a lot. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's begin. But before we start, can you explain what a tense actually is?
Great question. A tense is simply a way to show time. When did something happen? Is it happening now? Did it happen before? Will it happen later? The tense tells the listener when.
So a tense is like a timestamp. It marks the time.
Yes. Every time you speak, you're in one of 3 time zones: now, before, or later. And today we will learn one tense for each time zone. Ready?
Ready.
Time zone number 1. Tense number 1. The simple present. I call it the everyday tense.
Why that name?
Because we use this tense for things that happen every day, every week, every morning. Habits, routines, and facts that are always true.
Like, I drink coffee every morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning is simple present. It's not about right now, it's about what you do repeatedly, your habits.
What about she works at a hospital?
Perfect. That's her job. True every day, not just today. Simple present.
And it rains a lot in London?
Great example. That's a fact. Always true. Simple present.
So, habits, routines, and facts.
Exactly. Now, what's the most important rule for simple present? For I, you, we, they, the verb stays basic. I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat. Easy. But for he, she, it, we add s. He eats, she works, it rains.
That little s is the only rule you need for now.
Let me try some sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I watch TV, I go to bed.
Marco, you just described your whole day in simple present. 6 sentences about your life. See? 1 tense and you can explain your entire routine.
That's the power of the simple present, the everyday tense. I like it.
And when someone asks, what do? They want simple present.
Right. I work at an office. I teach English. I study cooking. All simple present.
Perfect. And facts, too. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Cats sleep a lot.
My cat sleeps all day. That's very true.
So habits, routines, and facts. That's simple present. Simple and useful.
What is tense number 2?
Tense number 2, the simple past. I call it the yesterday tense for things that already happened, finished, done, over. Yesterday, last week, last year, 2 minutes ago. If it's finished, use simple past.
So I use it to tell stories.
Exactly. Stories, memories, past events. I went to Paris last summer. She called me yesterday. We had a great time.
I wish I went to Paris, but okay, how do I form the simple past?
For most verbs, add ed. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Watch, watched. That's simple.
That is simple.
But some verbs are irregular. They change in a special way. Don't worry, only a few important ones. Here are the most common. Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had. See, saw. Come, came. Make, made. Do, did.
Did is the past of do, and we use did to make questions about the past. Did you eat breakfast? Did you sleep well?
You remembered. And after did, the verb stays in its base form. Did you go? Not did you went. Did does the past tense work.
Now let me tell you about my yesterday using simple past. Yesterday, I woke up late. I made coffee. I went to the park. I walked for 30 minutes. I came home. I ate lunch. I watched a movie. I went to bed early.
Impressive, Marco. 8 sentences, all simple past. You just told me your whole day in the past.
One tense, and I can tell any story or a memory. That's the power of the simple past.
The everyday tense for now, the yesterday tense for before. 2 down, 1 to go. What is tense number 3?
Tense number 3, the simple future. I call it the tomorrow tense for things that will happen. Plans, dreams, predictions, anything not yet happened.
How do I make it?
2 ways. First, add will before the verb. I will eat, she will come, it will rain. Will works for everyone. No changes, no s, no ed. Easy.
I love this tense.
There's also a short form. I'll, she'll, they'll. I'll eat, she'll come. Shorter and faster. The second way is going to. I am going to cook dinner. She is going to visit her mother.
We learned going to in an earlier episode.
Yes. Going to is for plans you already decided. Will can be for plans, predictions, or quick decisions. But for beginners, you can use either. People will understand.
So I can say, I will help you, or I am going to help you. Both are okay.
Exactly. Now let me talk about my tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I am going to go to the gym. I will eat a healthy breakfast. I am going to study English for 1 hour. And I will watch a movie in the evening.
5 sentences about tomorrow. Simple future. You can plan your whole week with this tense.
Next weekend, I will visit my parents. We are going to cook dinner together.
Beautiful. Now, Marco, I want you to do something special. We learned 3 tenses. Can you use all 3 together? Tell me about one topic in all 3 time zones.
Okay, let me try. Topic, coffee. Simple present. I drink coffee every morning. I like it with milk. Simple past. Yesterday, I went to a new cafe. I tried their special coffee. It was amazing. Simple future. Tomorrow, I will go back to that cafe. I'm going to try their iced coffee.
Erica, that was beautiful. 3 tenses, 3 time zones, 1 topic. And I understood everything about your coffee life.
Past, present, and future. All about coffee. With these 3 tenses, I can talk about anything. My job, my family, my hobbies.
Exactly. 3 tenses cover your whole life. And here's a tip for our listeners. Learn them in this order. First, simple present, easiest and most daily. Second, simple past, to tell stories. Third, simple future, to share plans. Present, past, future. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about the other tenses. They can wait.
What about the other tenses? Will we learn them?
Yes, in a future episode, we'll learn 2 more tenses.
special ones that will make your English sound even more natural. But for now, these 3 are your best friends.
3 best friends.
I like that. And here's another tip. When you practice, think of one topic: food, family, your job. Then say one sentence in each tense, like we did with coffee.
Simple present. I love my family. Simple past. We visited my grandmother last Sunday. Simple future. We will have a big dinner next month. One topic, 3 tenses, 3 sentences.
That's a great exercise. I'll try it tonight. My topic will be pizza. Simple present. I eat pizza every Friday. Simple past. Last Friday, I ate a very big pizza. Simple future. Next Friday, I will try a new pizza place.
That's perfect, Erica. 3 sentences, 3 tenses, all about pizza. Learning English is delicious.
Erica, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. Use these 3 tenses. Make mistakes. Keep talking. That's how you improve. Messy English is better than no English.
Marco, you said that before. I will never forget it.
And you just used simple future. I will never forget it. See? You're already doing it.
I am. Okay, let's review.
Yes. Today we learned tense 1, simple present, everyday tense. For habits, routines, facts. I eat, she works, it rains. Tense 2, simple past, yesterday tense. For finished actions. I ate, she worked, it rained. Tense 3, simple future, tomorrow tense. For plans. I will eat, she will work, I am going to travel.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to English with Erica.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun. Please subscribe, give this episode a like, and share it with a friend. Now, we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below. Can you write 3 sentences about your day? 1 in simple present, 1 in simple past, and 1 in simple future. For example, I drink tea every morning. Yesterday, I drank green tea. Tomorrow, I will try black tea. We would love to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Erica, before we finish, Marco, let's do a few more practice examples together. I think our listeners will benefit from extra repetition.
Great idea. Let me think of another topic. How about exercise?
Perfect. Start with simple present.
I jog 3 times a week. I also do stretching every morning.
Good. Now simple past.
Yesterday, I ran for 20 minutes in the park. I felt very energetic afterward.
Excellent. Now simple future.
Tomorrow, I will try a new workout routine. I'm going to follow a video at home.
See how easy that is? You've just described your exercise habits, a past event, and a future plan. Now let's try a negative sentence in each tense. That's also very useful.
Okay, simple present negative. I don't drink soda every day. She doesn't work on Sundays.
Perfect. Simple past negative. I didn't watch TV last night. She didn't come to the party.
Simple future negative. I won't eat junk food tomorrow. They aren't going to arrive late.
Fantastic. Now let's make questions. Simple present question. Do you like coffee? Does she speak Spanish?
Simple past question. Did you see the movie? Did they finish their homework?
Erica. Simple future question. Will you call me later? Are you going to join the meeting?
This is so practical. I feel like I can already have a basic conversation.
You absolutely can. Now, let me give you a little challenge. Try to tell me a short story, just 3 or 4 sentences, that uses all 3 tenses.
All right, here's a story about my morning. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., present. This morning, I woke up at 6:30 because my cat made noise, past. Tomorrow, I will wake up at 7 again, but I'll go to bed earlier tonight, future.
That's wonderful. You're already thinking in time zones.
Now, here's a secret that many textbooks don't tell you. In real conversation, native speakers often mix tenses naturally. For example, I was walking to work, past. When I see my friend, present for storytelling effect. But that's advanced. For now, sticking to 1 tense per sentence is perfect.
What about time markers? Words like yesterday, now, tomorrow.
Great question. Time markers make your meaning even clearer. For simple present, use always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, week, month. For simple past, use yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, in 2010. For simple future, use tomorrow, next week, next month, soon, later, in the future.
Can you give me an example with time markers for each tense?
Of course. Simple present. I always brush my teeth before bed. Simple past. I visited my grandma last weekend. Simple future. I will call you later tonight. Got it. Now, what if I make a mistake and use the wrong tense? Will people still understand?
Most of the time, yes. Context helps a lot. For example, if you say, yesterday I eat pizza, everyone knows you mean past because of yesterday. The mistake is small. Don't let fear of mistakes stop you from speaking.
That's reassuring. So, my goal for this week is to practice these 3 tenses every day, maybe while I'm cooking or driving.
Perfect. And here's a fun game. Look around your room right now. Say one thing you do every day, present, one thing you did yesterday, past, and one thing you will do tomorrow, future. All about objects in your room.
Okay, I charge my phone every night. Yesterday, I read a book on my bed. Tomorrow, I will clean my desk. That was fun.
You're a natural, Marco. Now, for our listeners, I want to give you a homework assignment. Write down 5 topics. For example, your job, your favorite food, a family member, a hobby, and a place you like. Then for each topic, write 3 sentences. 1 present, 1 past, 1 future. Do that every day for 1 week, and you will feel a huge difference.
And remember to say the sentences out loud. Speaking is the key.
Exactly. Reading and writing help, but your mouth and ears need practice too. So speak, even if you're alone. Talk to your pet, talk to your plant, talk to yourself in the mirror.
I talk to my cat all the time. Now I'll do it in English, using the 3 tenses.
That's the spirit. All right, we've added a lot of value today. Let's wrap up with a final summary.
Yes, 3 tenses. Simple present, every day. Simple past, yesterday. Simple future, tomorrow. Use them for habits, finished actions, and plans. Don't fear mistakes. Practice with topics you love.
And please, leave your example sentences in the comments. We read every single one. Your progress inspires us.
Thank you again, Erica. This was my favorite episode so far.
Thank you, Marco. And thank you, listeners. Until next time, keep speaking, keep making mistakes, and keep improving. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.